Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Twitter is now paying some of its creators for creating content and driving attention to Twitter. Those who are driving millions of views to the content that they create, they're getting paid now on Twitter. I have long argued, without getting too far into the weeds, that every social network on the planet, every social media platform needs... Thank you for the follow on Twitch. I am streaming this on live.pirillo.com, simulcasting on my Twitch account, which is streaming 24/7, by the way. Thank you for the follow. That's what you see behind me. Every one of those networks needs to be paying its creators. They're the ones driving the value, or at least part of the value. YouTube's been doing it for a while, but remember, I was monetizing YouTube before there was a partner program on YouTube. One of the reasons I love Twitch is because it allows me to effectively create, but also get compensated for the time that I spend in creating or catalyzing community, whatever. Twitch, YouTube, Instagram to a certain degree, they were monetizing Reels for some users, not just the people who were driving millions of views like Twitter's doing right now, but Reels were monetized at one point. I don't think they're still doing that. I wish they would return to it because it was nice to be able to create content and to get compensated. Content that I enjoyed putting out there. The things that I enjoy as a creator. The things that I enjoy creating, right? Now that Threads is running in parallel with Instagram, knowing that all brand deals that come down the pike go through Instagram, with Threads now being a major threat to Twitter, aka Elon Musk, is going, what am I going to do to keep attention here? I need to pay the people driving the attention. So I got to give it to Elon. I don't want to argue over whether or not the content that's being monetized should be monetized. It's just the idea that creators are getting paid. I want to focus on that because every social network needs to do that for its creators.